me.
Thank you. You have saved us all some effort by destroying the greater part of Earth's civilization yourself.
No.
Please wait where you are, and a Cortex Reaver will arrive shortly to escort you to the celebration.
You're joking.
Hacker, foreseeing that my vision is best.
I can't believe it. Believe it. Oh my. There's a button that could just, it's just an end game button. Oh, you blew up the Earth. Thank you so much. That's absolutely hilarious. Oh my god. Okay, so don't touch that button. Got it. Or you just end the game.